Hypergeometric distribution. HYPGEOMDIST returns the probability of a given number of sample successes given the sample size, population successes, and the population size. We use HYPGEOMDIST for problems with finite population where each observation is either success or failure, or which each subset of a given size is chosen with equal likelihood. So here we generate the HYPGEOMDIST dataset over the values of x from 0 to 60. Our our sample size will be data validation from the list 120 and 200 and 300. The successes in the population will be data validation from the list of 50, 60, and 70. And the population size is 500. We will use the HYPGEOMDIST to generate the dataset. So HYPGEOMDIST at array formula. HYPGEOMDIST of the x values, where n is the sample size, m is the successes in the population, and the total population is 500. For now, we'll choose 100 and m is 50, or we'll choose 70. And we'll generate the dataset. This time we will use smooth line. To generate the chart. Of our dataset. So from here, you can generate dataset for a population success of 50. If the sample size is 300 or 50, you can also use 70. Let's use the combine function to generate the same dataset. So we have array formula, combine of m comma x comma x. That's the first part of the numerator. Then we add in the second part of the numerator is combine n minus m. So this is times combine. The first term will be n minus m. So 500 minus m, the successes. And comma n minus x, so the sample size minus the successes x. Now that we have the numerator completed, we can now add in enter the denominator, combine that is capital N, comma, small letter n. Enter. And we can make some adjustments. So red, the red line or the red trend line covers the blue trend line. And the values of the using combine matches to the value using the HYPGEOMDIST. This completes the use of array formula, combine, and data validation to generate the dataset and trend line of hypergeometric distribution.